Happy Sunday, everybody. I know it's not very happy because no, tomorrow's work day for mostly everybody. But anyway, this quick update, two-part update. Uh, Finally got off my butt and primed all my parts for my NASCAR, 2023 NASCAR Group Build, hosted by Jeff and Fred Jethro. Little birthday boy they got a crew chief, man. Lucky sucker. These things are hard to find. Not. No, I wouldn't wish it on nobody. But anyway, as you see, everything be primed. Yeah, getting real good at my mixtures. That was, yeah, the back end there, it's all done. The roll cage is all together. And that little center piece that goes down, it's lined up with the body here, or the chassis. And the body itself is done. Yeah. I just need to hit it with some gloss blankets somewhere here. Maybe semi-gloss. That's probably it, right back here. So anyway, yeah, that's done. Then I went and I may want to hit this one more time, possibly. Yeah, back window. Yeah. But yeah, this is my build for the Corvette theme for ACME. With the roll cage, the body, they're all separate, but they're just laying on there. Those done. All the parts here. I didn't do all the wheel because, all of the wheel because the tires gonna be rounded. So, yeah, I just did what I knew would be seen. Exhaust, the seat, exhaust tips, the wiper blade, motor, the spoiler, and other things. Wait, no, sorry, middle console area. Yeah, the middle console. Engine. Yeah, little front breather with a little attachment that goes from the body to the chassis. Or it's not showing somewhere. It must be in my box, which is down there. Yeah. Some other pieces. Hopefully nobody's getting freaking motion sickness. But yeah. Yep. Got the gray all on them. Again, as you see, it'll get hit another tomorrow. I'll give it another coat. Some of these are just fine. Others can never be too sure about it. Yeah. Getting back to airbrush, I got to get my trigger action down. I did good on the black. After playing with this yesterday, put this all back in here, get it out of the way. The boy's been playing with his hook end here a little bit. I'll get to mine sometime. There we go. Of course, there's my box for that. Well, decals and everything right here. So yeah, that's it, folks. Nice quick update. Yep, I did a little bit this weekend. So whenever I have anything else, guys, I'll do another video. I do need to get onto the GT Bear. That needs to be. I've got it all the main parts together. It just needs the priming done on it too. So I may do that tomorrow. Move all these out of the way, put them back in the box where they go. That's about it. It's raining here. Much needed. Other than that, boys in there playing his game. Tammy's doing a little crafting and having a good time on Sunday, relaxing. Hope everybody else is having a good time this weekend. Till then, y'all take care, be safe. Yep, love that cup.